a rise of COVID cases. Ito ngayon, wala ka na kasali, ma'am. I hope that you'd understand what I'm talking about. Dito tayo sa pagtaas ng COVID in the Metro Manila area, especially Manila. And what advice can we give to the people so that they will be at least put on notice? Alam mo, maraming namatay. Marami rin ang may sakit. Ang pinakamataas ngayon, Metro Manila mismo. Ngayon, anong dahilan nito? Well, yung hindi maniwala sa social distancing, hindi naman naniwala sa personal hygiene. Ang hinihingi lang naman ng mga doktor, o ang sinasabi ng doktor para sa iyo, kapakanan mo, is maghugas ka ng kamay, mag-cover yourself with a mask. Clean your hands, and kung wala kang face mask, magalaw-galaw ka, huwag mong paabutin yung kamay mo sa kung ano-anong bagay. Or if you have to hang on something, if you have to hold or touch something, even if it is inanimate, basta na yung walang buhay, kahoy, furniture, bantay kayo dyan. Kaya yung umupo dyan, sa restaurant, ang umupo dyan, may naiwan, and yung mag-ubo sa publiko. Bantay kayo nyan. That's why social distancing is because if you think the other guy on your right side is coughing heavily, might as well just go away, move yourself a little bit further. Parang ganun wala nang ibang solusyon. It's also the mask, the washing of the hands, at social distancing. Hindi naman kailangan na pagpalayo ka kaagad. But if you think that somebody is coughing, even if it's just an ordinary cold, baski ordinary yung ubo, to be on the safe side, you go a little bit further. Social distancing means to say, umiwas ka. Then, mask, importante yan. Mask, importante talaga. Mabilis makuha mo pag humihinga ka. And maghugas ka ng kamay. O kaya, mabili ka lang, marami alcohol. Hindi naman, dalawang drops lang, patay na ang germs niyan. It's not so expensive, and it's not something which is consumable sa madaling panahon. Put your trust on the advice of government people, especially if coming from the Secretary of Health.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.